I'd like to talk a little bit further on a post I made a little while ago, and that is about the security in our windows and doors, specifically the different resistant classes. As I had mentioned before, the HELT windows come standard in resistance class 1, but we can upgrade them up to a resistance class 3 depending on where you have your window and door and exactly what are you trying to prevent from happening. The great thing about these windows and doors is that they can be upgraded even on an existing window. So if you have an RC1, you can upgrade it to RC3 without having to get a brand new window. And so let me show you exactly where all these points are and how it can be exchanged. So right here you can see the locking mechanism, and it goes all around the frame, to the bottom, all to the back as well. And this is, as I mentioned, RC1, but it can be exchanged. So this band here can be taken off on the existing window and then replaced with another. The next step are the locking on the frame itself. So these are the standard locks, and then they can be upgraded to the mushroom lock, which is right here below, which can be done all around the frame. So it gives a lot more security to the window as well. And then the next step is obviously the glass itself, to get that also upgraded to a different glass. So this is what makes the HELT windows really unique, is that it's really easy to upgrade, and there's a lot of options that you can have with your windows and doors. And this is not just about security, this is also about energy efficiency, because a window that closes really well, it will protect you from any drafts as well as from any water coming into the house. So there's several benefits to it that way. Thank you.